What's up? Thank you so much for watching Cloudburg. I am Akshat. Welcome back to another tech video. Today's video is all about languages. I am going to start with the best language for a DevOps to learn in 2020. So let's see the outline of today's talk. I am going to start with why there is need of programming language for a DevOps to learn, difference between programming and scripting languages, best programming language for DevOps to learn, and in the last, best scripting language for DevOps to learn. So let's start with the first topic in the stack, which is why there is need for a DevOps to learn language. So I have got many questions regarding this topic. That is language made for only programmers? Can't DevOps learn any programming language? So let me clear this, guys, that DevOps uses languages for software development and deployment automation. So even if you are a DevOps, you can't ignore programming and scripting languages. Languages are one of the most important tools in the DevOps arsenal. Choosing the right programming language or the language for your application is essential for succeeding at DevOps and achieving continuous integration and continuous delivery. So if you want to be a successful DevOps, then language plays an important role in achieving that, because in today's world, companies look for automation and you should be aware of at least few programming languages or scripting languages along with the DevOps tools in order to automate the infra. So now let's check out the next topic in our stack, which is what are the difference between programming language and scripting language. It is very important to understand the difference between programming language and scripting language before choosing any language. So a programming language is a formal language which comprises a set of instructions used to produce various kinds of outputs. A scripting language is a programming language that supports scripts, program written for a specific runtime environment that automate the execution of tasks. In programming language, compiler-based language are executed much faster, while interpreter-based language are executed slower. In scripting language, execution speed is slow. Programming language can be divided into high-level, low-level, compiler-based, and interpreter-based languages. And scripting language can be divided into client-side scripting and server-side scripting language. In programming language, more code needs to be written, hence it is not as easy to learn. And in scripting language, less coding is required, hence it is easier to learn. Now let's move to the next topic in the stack, which is best programming language for a DevOps to learn. Given that there are hundreds of programming languages in existence, picking up the right programming language for a DevOps can be tough. The best DevOps programming language for your organization will depend on specific needs and goals, but in general, the languages described below help to make goals like CI/CD and scalability easier to achieve. So the first language is Go. Today, Go is a great choice for DevOps for several reasons. Built on C, Go offers excellent performance. Go also was designed to take advantage of concurrency, another performance booster. And Go is highly portable. Although it is a compiled language, you don't have to worry about dependencies when compiling Go applications, so you can build them quickly. Next is Python. Python is probably one of the most versatile language out there. It's highly adaptable language which is now being used everywhere from Internet of Things programming to big data. It's a safe, but Python will continue to evolve to meet the needs of whichever programming workloads your DevOps team focus in future. And that's an important advantage when agility is a goal. Now next is Ruby. If you like Python, chances are good that you will also like Ruby. Although infra management is perhaps the top use case for Ruby, it is similar to Python in that it lends itself to a variety of use cases and it's a cross-platform language. Next is Scala. Instead of suggesting that you use Java for DevOps, I will recommend its better half, Scala. Scala was designed to be everything that's good about Java without the bad parts. Scala is object-oriented, which makes it easy to create a modular code base. And the next and the last is C. C might not be the first language that comes to mind when you think about DevOps. For one, application written in C are fast. If you seek high performance in your application, C is a good solution for achieving that. In case of your favorite language didn't make it the list, let me reiterate that ultimately DevOps succeed depends on tailoring your tools and processes to your particular needs. There is no one-size-fits-all approach to DevOps. If there's a better language for a DevOps team, more power to you. Now let's move into the next and the last topic of today's session, which is best scripting language for a DevOps to learn. The scripting language plays an important role in automating the daily DevOps related tasks. Here are some cool scripting language a DevOps can learn. First one is Python. Although Python is a programming language, but it is also used for scripting. If you are looking for automation in DevOps related tasks, then Python is a good option. Next is Bash. Bash is the most common and easy to learn scripting language. Using Bash, you can automate server related tasks so easily. Next and the last is Perl, a scripting language with innovative features to make it different and popular. Found on all Windows and Linux servers, it helps in text manipulation tasks. High traffic websites that uses Perl extensively include Priceline.com and IMDb. So that's all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions so far, then you can directly reach out to me on any social platform like LinkedIn, Instagram or Facebook. Username is same in all the platforms, which is Cloudburg. Or you can also reach out to me via mail at cloudburgtech@gmail.com. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to Cloudburg. If you like this video, do let me know, and if you don't, do let me know how can I make it better. I come up with new video every Thursday, so stay tuned. Bye guys.